So we have discussed light string and heavy string concept. So do you have any doubt like in the previous concept?
No, sir.
Okay. So I just want to revise like what we have discussed in a quick manner orally. In light string, like tension is same at each and every point. Clear? While in case of heavy string, tension is not same at each and every point of the string. Okay? String, whatever else. Okay, here tension, there spring force. Meaning is same. Okay? Clear? Now today actually I have
Yes.
discussed these things. Now we are going to solve numericals on heavy string. So write down numericals on heavy string category problem. Numericals on heavy string. Heavy string. So write down first numerical. Find the find the tension at point P at P in the given string. In the given string. Okay. So I'm drawing the diagram. Please draw. It's a heavy string. Okay. Its length is L. And mass of this total mass is M. Okay. Mass of
Yes,
string.
sir.
Mass of string. If I apply F force like this, then I'm asking what is the tension at point P? What is the tension at point P? You tell me. If I apply F force on this heavy string, then this heavy string is going to move in the right direction. Clear? Okay. If I
Yes, sir.
apply force on this heavy string, this string is going to move in the right direction. Entire. Okay. I am asking what is the tension at point P. Now, whenever I am going to ask tension, always cut the string into two parts. So from here, I'm asking tension at this point P. Cut. You will cut. I'm telling steps. Okay, just cut. Now, cut portion. Just draw again. Just draw the cut it portion like this. It will be like this. Okay. And one thing like I forget to mention, not forget actually. I will tell what is that. Where is P? I'm drawing here separately. P is here. Okay. P is here. This is P. Now tell me, if I apply force on this heavy string, this entire string is going to move in the forward direction. Clear? Like this. Who is helping? If I cut into two parts and this string has some tension, I'm asking what is the tension at point P. Then tension at this point P will be acting like this on this part. left part and right part. Okay, here tension will be like this. On this part, like this. At the same point P, this tension is helping the backward portion to move in the forward direction. Okay, this backward portion is moved forward with the help of this tension. This backward portion, okay, entire backward portion is going to move in this forward direction with the help of this tension force which is acting on this at this point P. If you cut this surface, on the surface tension will be like this. Okay, then this tension is moving this backward portion in the forward direction. Understood?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Then in such problem, whenever they are going to ask tension at any point, always take the system like this. From P, take all the section before P as a system. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Understood.
Next, I will draw again. If you understand that, now see, we are going to solve in this way. All the parts, if I am asking what is the tension at point P, cut like this. All the parts of this heavy string is moving with a constant acceleration like this. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Then acceleration of all the parts of this heavy string is moving forward with a constant acceleration. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So we will calculate the acceleration. So first you will take this entire heavy string as a system. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now apply Newton's law. Net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now net force on this system, on this entire system will be how much? F. ये तो लग रहा है. Clear? Mass m. Acceleration how much? E will be F by m. Okay. The same acceleration of all the components of this heavy string. Okay. If you divide this entire heavy string into various parts, then all the parts union, if you take the union of all the parts are moving togetherly with a constant acceleration, that is a. Understood? First step. Next
Yeah.
step, look at this. I am asking tension at point P. Now you got the answer. What is a? A is F by m. Clear? Now I am asking what is the tension at point P. Then how to find? Like this. Take system from the back. Okay. Let us suppose this length is x and total length is L, so it will be L minus x. Okay. Now tension at this point P is responsible for moving this backward portion. Clear? Then what I need? I need the mass. The mass of this backward portion is, let us suppose, m dash. Clear? So net force, apply Newton's law. Net force is T. What is the mass? How to calculate? Whole length is having the mass m. Okay. Then what is the mass of this small length x? Mx by L. Unitary method. Okay. Total length L has mass m. Then mass of this x length mx by L. So this is what? M dash. M dash is what? Mx by L. Now why am I doing this? Because here one more thing, like it is this rod, this string has uniform composition. Uniform composition. Okay, density is uniform. Uniform composition. If density is not varying, okay, density is uniform all around the length, uniform composition, then I'm doing that. Length, total length has mass m, x length has mass mx by l. So it will be what? M x by l. Multiply acceleration. Acceleration is how much? F by m. Understood? So what is the answer? Fx by l. Understood? Clear?
Sir,
So
can
what
you
is the
please
tension
explain?
force? Fx by l. Clear?
Sir, can you please explain this again from the beginning?
Ah, I will. Definitely. First you write. Did you write?
Yes, sir. Wrote it down.
See what I did? Again I'm explaining. This is heavy string. Wherever I'm going to ask tension, take the system before that. Clear? First take whole body as system and find the acceleration. Clear? Then I got the acceleration of this entire heavy string is a. Then can I say its internal parts is also moving in the same acceleration? Okay.
Yes, sir.
After this, after finding the acceleration, next step is wherever, wherever I'm going to ask tension, take the system till back. Okay. Write down the next question. Same question, same pattern. Just see. String, heavy string is that. Clear? Here 10 Newton, here 2 Newton. I am asking what is the tension at this point in the given diagram. Find the tension at P in the given diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Find the tension at P in the given diagram. Okay. Now see. If I am asking at P, then cut the string into two parts like this. Part 1. Okay. This is part 1. Okay. This is part 2. This portion and this portion. Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Now I am asking what? Listen first. I am asking what is the tension at P. Tension at P will be, tell me, on this whole string, 10 Newton in the right, 2 Newton in the left. So net force on this whole string is 8 Newton in the right. Understood? This 8
Yes.
Newton is taking this string in the right direction. Understood? First step, take
Yes, sir.
entire system as a entire string as system. Clear? Tell me what is the value of A. Solve. Mass of string is M. Solve. Tell me what is the acceleration.
A by M.
Acceleration is net force. Take whole the string as system.
8 by.
Ah, very good. 8 by M. Very good. Now after this, I am asking what is the tension at point P. Then you tell me what should be the direction of tension at P. Left portion. Can you see left portion? Left portion. Can you say? Can you check left portion? This is the left portion.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
direction of P should be in the left direction.
You are saying left. Okay. Direction of tension. You are saying left. I will draw according to you. Okay. I will draw left. Okay. Then you are saying tension at P in the left. Okay. Now in your mind, tell me this tension force, will this make this this left portion to move in the right? This is acting in this direction. Will it help? This tension is acting on which portion? This portion. Second one. Okay. This string is moving in the right. Okay. Here, if you cut into two parts, clear? So this part, there are two parts. One part, second part. Here in between point P. Clear? Now tell me, this portion, this left portion of this string, this tension will act in this direction. Then only it will move in this direction. When this whole string, this is whole, okay, this whole string is moving in this right direction. Now if I cut into two parts, okay, just look at here. I am asking tension at point P. On this on this left portion, tension will be acting in this direction. Then only it is moving in the right direction now. Clear? If it is acting like this, left direction you are saying, then do you see it will move in the right direction? So
The tension.
entire, yes, very good. Entire string is moving in the right direction. Then on all the portion which is in the left of P, left of P, left of P, tension always in the right. Then only entire parts of this string is moving togetherly in the right. That's why I told first step is take entire string as system. Next part, wherever I'm asking tension, take the portion before P. Before P. What is the portion before P? This is the portion before P, na?
Yes, sir.
Next step is take this portion as system. Clear? Now draw the free body diagram of this. It will be
8 Newton and the
T in the right, mg down, normal up, but we are not bothered regarding normal. Okay? Understood? Because it is moving in the right direction. Normal will be balance the weight. Now next step is apply Newton's law on this. Now how will you apply net force? Net force. How much? Tell me. T.
8 Newton.
T is equal to. Should I write T? Is it correct? No. If you check, 2 Newton is also there. Okay? 2 Newton is also there now. If you look at carefully. Clear? Then net force will be right plus left negative is equal to mass into acceleration. Clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
this m dash is the mass of this portion, left portion. Left portion. Clear? Left portion. Now how to find the mass? How to find this mass m dash? Then I don't know what is the length of this. Do I know? No, I don't know. I know total length is from here to here. Total length is L. Understood? Total length is
Yes.
L. But I don't know what is the length of this portion. So I take length of this portion is X. Understood? This
Yes, sir.
left portion I take, let us suppose its length is X. I don't know what is this. Unknown. X is unknown. It's not given in the question. Let us suppose. Now we need to find the mass, M dash. How will you find? Total length. Total length has mass M. Okay. For X length, mass is M by L into X. Understood?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
So this mass which you have solved, mx by L, it is M dash actually. Understood? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now put this mass where? In this equation. They are asking tension, na? T 2 plus m dash is how much? M by L x A. A is how much? 8 by. So answer is T is equal to what? 2 plus 8x by L. Understood? So what you get? What is your finding here? If you write, then I will write again. Have you written? Have you written, Balambika?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Now I understood the answer.
Understood now? So tension is coming like 2 plus 8x 8 by L. What is that? 8x by L. Okay.
2L plus 8x by L.
12. 12 plus 8x. Let it be. Okay. If I draw, if I take, this is a rod. Okay. If I take origin here. Okay. Point P is here. You have to take origin now. Anywhere origin. Origin from origin axis this. And this is L. Total length. You can draw X and Y here. This is origin. X, Y. Understood? You can take anywhere, whatever you
Yes.
want. Plus X, plus Y, minus X, minus Y. Okay. Now if I ask like, here tension, you know, what is the tension at P? You know that. Here, what is the force? 10 Newton. Here, 2 Newton. Clear? 2
Yes,
Newton.
sir.
Now if I ask, draw the tension versus X graph. I'm asking how to draw T versus X graph. I don't know what is happening. I'm drawing here, okay? T versus X graph. Clear? Then how to draw? On x-axis, this is 0, comma 0 coordinate. T is what? Tension, okay? Y-axis. Now when x is 0, see this equation 1. When x is 0, T is what? 2 Newton. Clear? It means that when this point P is here, x is equal to 0, you are taking point here, then tension will be 2 Newton. Just draw. Just draw. More analysis you will get. Just draw. 2 Newton on the graph. I have drawn like this, okay? 2 Newton. You can, how will you show? X is 0, coordinate is 2, 0, comma 2. Tension is in Newton, okay? Now my question is, when this point P is here, then X will be what? L. For this point, when this point P is here, this X will be L. Okay, X is varying from 0 to L. Understood? When this point P is
Yes, sir.
leftmost end, it is 2 Newton. When this point is rightmost end, then here X is L.
Eight.
Now put x is equal to L here. Then how much tension? Tell me. How much you are
10,
getting? 10
10
Newton.
newtons.
So x is equal to L. You are getting 10 Newton. So coordinate will be here. Somewhere here this point will 0 L comma. How will you draw? L comma 10. Understood?
Yes,
Then
sir.
since its slope is constant, 8 by L is constant na. Y is equal to mx plus c, you know.
Yes, sir.
Then you just simply straight line graph will be like this. Understood? Clear? Any doubt? Even I ask.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. The graph is just like this. This is y-axis. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is m. This is c. You know y is equal to mx plus c? In maths you
Yes,
have
sir.
learned. So I have drawn that. Okay. Some lines are striking like don't worry. Okay. This is some error happening like here. No need to worry. Even I will rub later. Okay. Understood? Up to here. Now you can see
Sir,
this
can you explain
tension. Huh.
graphs?
Graph is clear?
Plotting, I'm feeling a little bit confused, sir. Can you explain
See,
that as
okay,
well?
okay. Plotting. See, T is equal to 8x 8 by L into x plus 2. This is okay. Y is equal to mx plus c. Draw. How will you draw? C is what? C is positive, negative. Positive. Slope is what? Constant. 8 by L. On y-axis, tension. Here x. On x-axis, x is what? This is length. Okay. Length. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And how will you draw? Like this. From here to this is intercept actually, 2 Newton. This is the graph. You know straight line graph, those graphs again I can discuss, okay? You have idea like
Graph types I learned, sir.
types, you don't know equation.
Equation, I forgot the equation.
Okay, no worry, I will
Not in
explain.
10th. In 10th, I didn't get that yet.
Okay. It is up to this clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
I will explain, don't worry. If you ask, I will explain. See, there are certain type of equation if you want to write, you can write y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx minus c, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. I will draw the graph of all these equations one by one. Here m is slope. M is what? Slope. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to mx. How will you draw? Did you see any c? Here c is what? C is intercept on y-axis. Now what is intercept? I will tell you. Intercept. I will tell you. Intercept on y-axis. Clear? Now I will explain
Yes,
what
sir.
is this c. In this equation y is equal to mx, there is no c. It means c is 0. Intercept means cut off portion. How much portion of y-axis is being cut by the straight line? Y is equal to mx. There is no intercept means c is 0. Then how will you draw the graph? Like this. Okay. Its slope is, this is n. Okay. Or
Yes, sir.
sometime in book like they are saying this is angle. How much angle? Theta. And this m is what actually slope is equal to tan theta. We are denoting like this. Okay. This is slope. Understood? Now, if
Yes, sir.
intercept on y-axis given, for example, y is equal to mx plus c. If I need to draw this graph, y is equal to mx plus c. How will you draw? C plus c na? Here plus c. It means intercept on y-axis is positive. Means cut off portion. How much portion on y-axis is being cut by a line that is intercept? Okay, cutoff portion. You can write cutoff portion. Cutoff portion. Clear? Now y is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to mx plus c. How will you draw? Like this. This is y is equal to mx plus c. Plus c means like this. Like this. Okay. This is y x. What is the difference between this equation and this equation? Can you check these two graphs?
C is equal to 0 in the first one here.
Here also slope is m. Okay, are clear? Straight line graph. Everywhere slope means how much at what angle this line is inclined with the x-axis. So you can check everywhere it is equally inclined. Straight line. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now this C is what? C is cut off portion on y-axis. This is C, okay. On y-axis, this much portion it is being cut. This is now, this is cut off portion on y-axis. Cut off portion on y-axis. C. Okay. Now if I ask you, I hope you understood up to this. If I give
Yes,
the
sir.
name like AB, for example, I am giving this is point A, this is point B. Can you please tell me what is the coordinate of A and B? I will draw. I will draw.
0,
Again, write
what
y is equal to
the
mx plus c.
B.
What I am asking, just listen me carefully. This is the equation, okay? Like this. I am asking, this is point A, this is point B. Clear? My question is, this is origin, okay? 0, comma 0. My question is, what is the coordinate of A and B? This is, this length on y-axis is c. Okay? Could you tell me? I am asking, what is this coordinate on x-axis? Now tell me, on x-axis, what is 0? Y or z? On x-axis, which
Y is
coordinate is 0? Y
Y.
and z both. Okay? Here on x-axis, y is 0, just make it 0. You will get the value of x. At what x? Y is 0 minus c by m. Okay? Then you will get the coordinate of a minus c by m, comma 0. It is coordinate na on x-axis x comma 0. In the similar way, tell me what is the coordinate on y-axis. What is the coordinate of b? On y-axis, what is 0? Tell me. I'm asking what is the coordinate of b? On y-axis, what is 0?
X is 0.
Very good.
Z is also.
So x is 0 means like this. M into 0, okay, it is 0. So c will, y is equal to what? This is a coordinate. A coordinate will be
C.
0 comma c. So coordinate of b will be 0 comma c. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Clear.
doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So coordinate of A is minus c by m comma 0. Coordinate of point B is 0 comma c. C is intercept. Intercept means how much portion of the y-axis is being cut by a line, straight line. Okay, here. Now, if I say y is equal to mx minus c, if I ask y is equal to mx minus c, Then don't think like it is minus c. You should write mx plus then minus c like this. Standard equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Then write in that form. Y is equal to mx plus then in bracket minus c. Now here if you check cutoff portion, it is negative intercept. Negative intercept. It doesn't mean like distance is negative. Negative means how will you draw this graph? Y on x-axis you will take x. You will draw like this. It will be like this now. Is it correct?
Yes,
Negative
sir.
intercept means like this. Below x-axis. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying this distance is minus c. Okay, I'm saying this is c, but it is negative. Graph will be like this. Straight line will be like this. Understood? If I ask this is point A, this is point B. What is the coordinate of A and B? Quickly tell me from this equation.
Yes, x comma 0, b is
A is
0
what?
comma x comma 0,
No, x comma. What is the coordinate? What is the value of x?
y plus 1.
Solve. Coordinate of A. Coordinate of A.
C by m, sir.
C by M. Okay, very good. Y is 0 on x-axis. X will be C by M. Very good. So coordinate will be C by M comma 0. What is the coordinate of B? I'm asking this is y-axis. Okay. On y-axis what is 0? Coordinate of B.
X is 0, sir.
Now tell me then.
Y is m minus c, sir.
Ah, very good. So coordinate of B will be, how will you find? On y-axis, x is 0. So y will be minus c. So coordinate on y-axis is 0 comma like this. Understood?
M minus c.
Clear? Understood? Any doubt? Now
No doubt, sir.
here slope is still m. Okay. Slope is how much at what angle it is inclined with the x-axis. Everywhere if you draw x horizontal, still here m. Anywhere if you draw, still it is m. Okay. Slope means horizontal. From horizontal, at what angle our line is inclined with horizontal. Then horizontal, how will you draw? Straight line. Just draw a straight line. Anywhere if you draw a straight line, you will get a slope. It will be mm. Understood? Now
Yes, sir.
these three equation. Now last equation is x upon a. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Here a and b. A is what? X intercept. X-intercept means intercept on x-axis. Understood? X-intercept
Yes, sir.
means intercept on x-axis. Intercept on x-axis. Similarly, B y-intercept means intercept on y-axis. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
how will you draw? For drawing the line, I need at least a straight line. How many points? 2 points. Either 2 point or single point, one slope. How will you draw? If I ask x-intercept, okay. Now one more thing I just want to explain. X-intercept. Anybody is asking x-intercept. X-intercept. Then make y0. Then make y0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vice versa. Y-intercept. Then make x0.
X0.
Okay. Now if I ask x-intercept, make y0. Tell me what is the value of how much intercept? X will be a. So on x-axis, how much portion it will cut? This much. Its length is a. Okay. Similarly, if I ask on y-axis how much portion it will cut, make x0. It will be y.
B.
Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
After knowing this, simply point will be here. How will you get the point? 2 points I need. How will you get? First make y0. If this intercept is a, this coordinate will be a comma 0. This is this coordinate.
0.
Then simply join these points by straight line. This is the equation. How to draw? Okay, this is A is what? Intercept on x-axis. This portion, cutoff portion, okay? This is B is intercept on y-axis. Cutoff portion on y-axis. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is cutoff portion on y-axis. Cutoff. Cutoff portion on y-axis. On y-axis, okay? What is a cutoff portion on x-axis? Clear? Clear? Now, if I ask like this equation, we have understood the concept. Now, if I ask, see, y is equal to mx plus c. If I ask what is x-intercept, can you tell me? And y-intercept? How much?
X-intercept is minus C by M.
Very good. Minus c by m. Comma. Minus, don't say minus, it is c by m simply. Coordinate will be minus c by m, comma 0. Very nice. Very nice. Intercept means length of portion, okay? Then
Okay, sir.
y-intercept.
Y-intercept C.
Very good. Or 0, comma c.
Point 0, C.
Here, x-intercept
Yes,
means
sir.
y make y0. Y-intercept means x0. Clear? In this equation, tell me
Yes.
y is equal to mx minus c. What is x-intercept?
C by M.
X-intercept is make y0. It is c by m. Coordinate will be c by m, comma 0. Similarly, y-intercept,
C.
very good. 0, comma
0,
c.
comma minus.
Y-intercept
So
means
minus
x0. Very nice. 0, minus c. Understood?
Ah, yes, sir, understood.
Now, one more thing I just want to tell, like how to find slope. If 2 points are given, hmm, 1 minute. Quickly, I will tell you. Point A, point B. If you join these 2 points, you will get a line. Lines. What is line? Line segment. Whatever. What is the difference between line and line segment?
Line has no ending and line segment has two endpoints.
So I have taken 2 points. Its coordinate is 2, 3. Its coordinate is 4, 5. Then I am asking slope. What is the slope of this line? Slope. Slope means m. Write down the formula. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
It's one.
Slope formula, one more formula. How much angle it is forming with x-axis? Tan theta. Take n. If you take x1 here, y1 here, then take x2, y2 here. Anywhere you can take. Then what is the slope of this line? Y2 minus y1. Y2 is 5 minus y1 is 3. X2 minus x1. So slope will be 2 by 2, that is 1. And m is equal to what? Tan theta. Slope value is 1. What is the value of theta? 45.
40.
It means that this line, if you draw, 2, 3 will be here, 4, 5. Somewhat like it is making an angle 45 with x-axis. Okay. Meaning is that. Clear? Understood how to
Yes, sir,
find
clear.
slope?
Yes, sir, understood.
Till now, any doubt?
Not answer.
Okay. I think this is clear. Now write last question. Write down this question. Find the tension at point P. Quickly tell me the answer, okay? Okay. Its length is L. What is the tension at P? Simple. Take whole body as a system. First, find the acceleration. A will be net force. How much? On the system F minus F. Total mass is M. Okay. So acceleration comes out to be 0. Okay.
Zero acceleration.
Now we will calculate the tension. Now tension at P. Take leftmost portion as system. Okay. This is your system now. Its mass will be mx by L. Okay. If you draw the free body diagram, F is on the system left. Tension will be right. I'm not drawing vertical. Okay. Then if you write that force is equal to mass into acceleration, mass of this mx by L, acceleration is 0. So tension at this point will be F. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere if you calculate now, anywhere if you take point here, anywhere, then you will get the constant tension. If you take point here, here also tension will be F. Okay, because acceleration is 0. Here also F. The one concept we got, if acceleration is 0, then heavy string behave as a light string. We can ask because everywhere tension is same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Actually, time is about to end because this meeting is about to end. I will send one more meeting link. Then I will discuss some more points with you. Not from this lecture. It is different. Okay, totally different. So session is over. I
Yes,
want
sir.
to discuss something. Okay, so I will send one more meeting link. Join from there. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.